Hello, my little learners. Welcome to our fun learning class. Today, we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 100 with spellings. First, let's start with the numbers from 1 to 10. I will say the number and then I'll spell it. Repeat after me, okay? So, let's begin. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. Great job, kids. You are doing amazing. Let's move on. Now let's learn 11 to 20. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay? 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Fantastic work. Let's keep the momentum going. T-W-E-N-T-Y-O-N-E 21. 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-W-O 22. 23. T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E 23. 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y-F-O-U-R 24. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y-F-I-V-E 25. 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y-S-I-X 26. 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N 27. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T 28. 29. T-W-E-N-T-Y-N-I-N-E 29. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. Good job, kids. You are doing amazing. 31. T-H-I-R-T-Y-O-N-E 31. 32 THIRTYTWO 32 33 THIRTYTHREE 33 34 THIRTYFOUR 34 35 THIRTYFIVE 35 36 THIRTYSIX 36 37 THIRTYSEVEN 37 38 THIRTYEIGHT 38 39 THIRTYNINE 39 40 FORTY 40 41 FORTYONE 41 42 FORTYTWO 42 43 FORTYTHREE 43 44 FORTYFOUR 44 45 FORTYFIVE 45 46 FORTYSIX 46 47 FORTYSEVEN 47 48 FORTYEIGHT 48 49 FORTYNINE 49 50 FIFTY 50 Fantastic work, kids. Let's continue. 51 FIFTYONE 51 52 FIFTYTWO 52 53 FIFTYTHREE 53 54 FIFTYFOUR 54 55 FIFTYFIVE 55 56 FIFTYSIX 56 57 FIFTYSEVEN 57 58 FIFTYEIGHT 58 59 FIFTYNINE 59 60 SIXTY 60 Well done, kids, well done. You are doing amazing. 61 SIXTYONE 61 62 SIXTYTWO 62 63 SIXTYTHREE 63 64 SIXTYFOUR 64 65 SIXTYFIVE 65 66 SIXTYSIX 66 67 SIXTYSEVEN 67 68 SIXTYFOUR EIGHT 68. 69. SIXTYNINE 69. 70. SEVENTY 70. 71. SEVENTYONE 71. 72. SEVENTYTWO 72. 73. SEVENTYTHREE 73. 74. SEVENTYFOUR 74. 75. SEVENTYFIVE 75. 76. SEVENTYSIX 76. 77. SEVENTYSEVEN 77. 78. SEVENTYEIGHT 78. 79. SEVENTYNINE 79. 80. EIGHT 80. Good job, kids. Let's continue. 81. EIGHTYONE 81. EIGHTYTWO 82. 83. EIGHTYTHREE 83. 84. EIGHTYFOUR 84. 85. EIGHTYFIVE 85. 86. EIGHTYSIX 86. 87. EIGHTYSEVEN 87. 88. EIGHTYEIGHT 88. 89. EIGHTYNINE 89. 90. NINETY 90. Well done, kids. You are doing amazing. 91. NINETYONE 91. 92. NINETYTWO 92. 93. NINETYTHREE 93. 94. NINETYFOUR 94. 95. NINETYFIVE 95. 96. NINETYSIX 96. 97. NINETYSEVEN 97. 98. NINETYEIGHT 98. 99. NINETYNINE 99. 100. ONEHUNDRED 100. Well done, kids. You are so smart. Let's clap for yourself. You did an amazing job today. Now you know how to count from 1 to 100 with spellings. Keep practicing and soon you will be a counting master. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, bye-bye.